From the Republic Media Network headquarters, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate. Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Now time for the nation's sharpest opinion. The Congress party and Rahul Gandhi have promised subsidies, government subsidies for all foreign infiltrators into India. In fact, they have made it an election issue. Specifically, one of the big election promises of the Congress party in Jharkhand is that all infiltrators, all Ghusbetiyas in the state, meaning in this context largely Muslim infiltrators from Bangladesh, that they will get subsidized, taxpayer subsidized gas cylinders at 450 rupees per cylinder. Think about it, viewers, from denying being a Muslim-focused party while being one, to saying Muslims have the first right on the resources of the country, to getting the backing of individual members of the Muslim Personal Law Board in elections, and now promising Muslim infiltrators from Bangladesh subsidized gas cylinders paid by you. The Congress wants to be the Muslim party of choice, replacing the All India Majlis-e-Ittihadul Muslimin in India. The Congress party wants to be a party for primarily Muslim causes, and the party which advocates for infiltrators into India. But will you take this lying down? Do you work day and night and pay taxes so that the Congress party diverts a large part of your taxes for giving infiltrators into India a free and subsidized life? Is this fair, Rahul Gandhi? What are you doing, Rahul Gandhi? Do you even think what you're doing? Is this pro-infiltrator position something the people of India will tolerate? Will you tolerate it, viewers? From being an extreme radical leftist party to now being the pro-Muslim infiltrator party, the Congress party has taken a very sharp turn against national interest. Now let me give my view. Enough is enough. Not a single rupee can and not a single rupee will be diverted to subsidize infiltrators, ladies and gentlemen. Not a single rupee. Rahul Gandhi, we will not allow you to do it. The Congress party's decision to promise subsidies to foreign infiltrators is, in my view, an open call for illegal immigrants, largely from a new Islamist Bangladesh, to take over India. This is an attempt to turn Jharkhand into a Muslim majority state, Assam and Bengal to Muslim majority states, which will then in turn allow the Congress and its allies more elbow room to practice Muslim first politics. Our counter challenge, not one subsidized gas cylinder can be allowed to reach an infiltrator. This is our counter position too. Let's debate.
एक एक को चुन चुनकर झारखंड से वापिस भेजने का काम भारतीय जनता पार्टी करेगी।
कह रहे थे सरकार आएगी तो सिलेंडर देंगे। अरे जब तुम्हारी सरकार थी तब क्या कर रहे थे?
Infiltration threat has become the biggest talking point this election cycle. Republic first exposed the infiltration threat in Jharkhand adversely affecting resources and demography. But the Congress party has completely dismissed the concerns, coming out to openly back the Bangladeshi and other illegals.
और हमने वादा दिया जनता को कि जैसे सरकार बनेगी 1 दिसंबर से गैस सिलेंडर का कीमत सिर्फ 450 रुपए। ये आम जनता, ना उसमें हिंदू देखा जाएगा, ना मुसलमान देखा जाएगा, ना घुसपैठिए देखा जाएगा, तो ना कोई और चीज देखा जाएगा। जो भी झारखंड वासी है वो किसी भी सोच से हो, किसी भी तबके से हो, उसको 450 रुपए में गैस सिलेंडर दिया जाएगा। ये हमारा प्रोग्राम।
The Prime Minister has joined issue with Congress, warning against its appeasement politics through its stump speeches during the Jharkhand campaign.
खुलेआम उनका एक नेता घोषणा कर रहा है कि जो घुसपैठिए हैं, रोहिंग्या हैं, बांग्लादेशी हैं, उनको हम सस्ते में गैस सिलेंडर देंगे। ये वोट पाने के लिए देश के साथ, आपके बच्चों के उज्जवल भविष्य के साथ कैसा खेल खेल रहे हैं, इसका ये उदाहरण है।
And while the BJP is raising an alarm over rewarding of the infiltrators,
उनका ध्यान केवल और केवल घुसपैठियों को घुसाने के लिए है, घुसपैठियों को घुसाने के लिए।
और वो तो कहता है, क्या कह रहा है, यानी हिंदू को भी देंगे, मुसलमान को भी देंगे और घुसपैठियों को भी देंगे। अब यहाँ के जनजातीय बंधुओं का अधिकार घुसपैठियों को क्यों देंगे?
and yet for the Congress it seems infiltration is nothing but fiction.
As of now, in Jharkhand government, there is no list of infiltrators. If there is a list of infiltrators, it is the duty of the central government to announce it. Mir has not made any mistake. Mir has condemned the word infiltration.
Threats from illegal aliens are wide-ranging. From demography to resources crunch, even national security, which the nation can't ignore.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sanju Verma of the BJP, Ratnakar Tripathi of the Congress Party, Vivek Silas of the Samajwadi Party, Jyotsna Tirunagiri of the Telugu Desam Party, Manasvi Thapar backs Aam Aadmi Party, and Binay Kumar Singh is an author and columnist live from Ahmedabad, but he is from Jharkhand. Thank you very, very much, ladies and gentlemen. In fact, it is quite appalling, Mr. Ratnakar Tripathi, that Congress Party wants to take the taxpayers' money to help the Ghuspetia. I mean, they have always wanted to do it and they have done it very successfully. But now they are saying so openly, they are saying that we will give subsidized gas cylinders to Ghuspetia. Koi Ghuspetia ko nahi dekhenge, Musalman, Hindu nahi dekhenge. In other words, Ghuspetias will also get gas cylinders sirf 450 rupees mein. Ab ye kya hui? You want to give gas cylinders to Ghusbetias, that is bad. But you want to take my money to give them subsidies, that is unacceptable. Then you want to stand on an election forum and you say, जैसे ही सरकार बनेगी, हम ये करेंगे, जैसे ही सरकार बनेगी, 1 दिसंबर से गैस सिलेंडर 450 रुपए में ना हिंदू देखा जाएगा, ना मुसलमान देखा जाएगा, ना घुसबेटिया देखा जाएगा. हिंदू मुसलमान समझ गए, ना घुसबेटिया देखा जाएगा. यानी कि घुसबेटियों आपको भी मिलेगा, आप हमारे साथ रहिए. कांग्रेस घुसबेटियों के साथ और जितने घुसबेटिया है वो कांग्रेस के साथ. कांग्रेस का हाथ घुसबेटियों के साथ. नाउ दिस इज अ प्रो इन्फिल्ट्रेटर काइंड ऑफ न्यू लाइन पॉलिटिक्स. इसमें बेसिकली माय व्यू इज रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी, इट्स अ attempt at consolidating the Muslim vote. It is all part of Congress Party's Muslim politics. But if you want to recklessly and shamelessly, I am choosing my words carefully, ladies and gentlemen, recklessly and shamelessly announce subsidies for infiltrators, then I will also open the phone line. I will tell people of the country to make a choice, and I will tell them that never support a party that is pro-infiltrator, but which means that party is against national interest. We have enough problems on our own, right? But anyway, this position, we don't have enough water resources for our own population. We don't have enough food for our own population. You want to tell all Bangladeshis, come to India and we will give you subsidized gas cylinders. Why? to take them back to Bangladesh, to sell them in the Bangladesh black market.
Your, I mean, DK
Yes.
Singh sir ko बोलो कि मैं बात में आऊं। मतलब I mean you are done with your sermons, so you can draw any conclusion you can.
I'm not, no maligning.
And you will-
I'm expressing my view, and people of the country must be
I hope
with
you will give me one, uninterrupted speech, right? Like you do. Now let me tell you one thing: what is done recklessly, shamelessly, ruthlessly, brutally, that is beating of the students in Prayagraj at VRs, the Divyangs, the female students, adorable students are beaten up by plain clothes, UP police goons, right? Those are the Guspetias. Plain clothes, UP police, UP state goons. Those are Guspetias. What was the bottom line?
Rohingya, not Guzbeti.
Please, I request
Rohingya क्या है?
Guest of Congress. So let me tell you one thing very clearly. The bottom line was what? हर झारखंड वासी को मिलेगा. And the thing is that what you said, nobody will and can get subsidized cylinders or anything who is infiltrated. Why? When you take gas cylinder, you need one Aadhaar card. When you have one Aadhaar card, you are a citizen of India. So how come any person, even Mr. Narendra Modi, can give a gas cylinder or a subsidy to any person who is not a citizen
Why is
of
the
India?
Congress party saying
It is sarcastic.
घुसपैठियों को हम गैस सिलेंडर
You
देंगे?
always say, ये लोग देशद्रोही हैं, कांग्रेस देश तोड़ना चाहती है. Like in the last debate I said, विभाजन करने वाले रावण के वंशज थे, to abuse पुलत्स्य, अगस्त्य, विश्रवा, right? The Rishi Munis,
But
the
why do you
Brahmins.
want to give gas cylinders to Ghusbetia to make a Ghusbetia vote bank?
I told you one thing, that was one just sarcastic statement.
Sarcastic,
Every
अच्छा,
time
अच्छा,
Congress
अच्छा,
says something,
ये joke
you say
है.
ये तो घुसपैठियों की समर्थन करते हैं.
ये joke
You
है.
tell me one thing, Mr. Goswami.
Viewers, I'm just telling you, watch
How can
his body
anybody
language
give
now.
any
Now he
gas
says it's a
cylinder?
joke. Do you believe it's a joke?
You asked me.
I'm
to
asking
let
you,
me
viewers, do you
speak.
think they were joking? Or is it because Republic got it
No,
on
I
tape?
didn't say joking. I said it was a sarcasm.
It was a
Because
sarcasm.
whenever I will say something or Congress party will say something, the BJP minded Arnab Goswami will say कि ये लोग घुसपैठियों को समर्थन करते हैं, ये लोग मुसलमान को समर्थन करते हैं.
Arnab, can I
ये
please-
नहीं बोलेंगे कि न तेलुगु देशम 4% रिजर्वेशन चाहते हैं. ये वो नहीं बोलेंगे कि मध्य प्रदेश, राजस्थान, गुजरात में मिला के 90 मुस्लिम क्लास को
this can't be a
OBC
monologue
कोटे
by
में
this
दिया गया
man.
रिजर्वेशन. इन्हें
This cannot be a
सारी
monologue. He's going
कांग्रेस
on
से
and on and
आपको
on,
भी है.
making zero sense.
तो भाई बीच में मत बोलिए ना.
आप
वो
एंकर
आपको
नहीं है, मैं
आवाज
एंकर
देगा
के साथ
संजीव
बात
वर्मा,
कर रही
जो
हूँ,
आपसे
शांत हो
डरते हैं,
जाइए.
मैं जानता हूँ.
15 मिनट से आप बोल रहे
आप
हैं.
जैसी राजधानी एक्सप्रेस से
15
बहुत
मिनट से
डरते
आप
हैं.
लगातार भाषण दे रहे हैं. ये कोई कैंपेन रैली
अरे
नहीं
भाई मैं नहीं
है.
दूंगा
आपका
तो आप
भाषण
देंगे.
सुनने
मेरा
नहीं
नाम
बैठे हैं हम
रत्नाकर
यहाँ.
त्रिपाठी है, संजीव वर्मा
आपका
जी.
भाषण सुनने यहाँ नहीं बैठी हूँ मैं. शांत हो
अरे भाई
जाइए.
साहब, मुझे अभी तक नहीं पता था मैडम कि आप इस चैनल की मालकिन हो गई हैं.
अरे भाई
कि
साहब,
अर्नब
मैं
गोस्वामी
अर्नब
जी मुझे
गोस्वामी से
बुलाएंगे,
बात
आप
कर रही हूँ, शांत हो
बताएंगी.
जाइए.
मुझे तो नहीं पता
आपका
था.
भाषण नहीं सुनना है यहाँ.
आपने क्या किया है?
आपका
51%
बेतुका
शेयर
भाषण
खरीद
सुनने
लिया है
नहीं
क्या
बैठी हूँ मैं
रिपब्लिक
यहाँ
का?
अर्नब,
तो
can I please make my
भाषण भी
point?
सुनते थोड़ी आए हैं.
मैं सिर्फ ये कह रहा हूँ, मैं सिर्फ ये कह रहा हूँ, रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी जी, मैं सिर्फ ये कह रहा हूँ, और मैं फिर से दोहरा रहा हूँ ये चीज को. एंड मैं मुझे प्लीज आप मेरा सवाल है कि मैं हिंदी समझता हूँ, आप हिंदी समझते हैं. ये गुलाम अहमद मीर कांग्रेस पार्टी के बहुत बड़े इंचार्ज नेता हैं और उन्होंने कहा जैसे ही हमारी सरकार बनेगी हम हर घुसपैठिया को 450 रुपए में सिलेंडर देंगे.
माननीय गोस्वामी जी, आपने मुझे मेहमान के बतौर बुलाया है. आप अपनी बीजेपी की पैनलिस्ट संजीव वर्मा से कहिए कि डिसेंसी सीखें. मैं जानता हूँ
अरे
निहायत
आपसे
दर्जे की
decency नहीं
बदतमीज
सीखनी
है,
है.
लेकिन जरूरी नहीं है कि हर समय वो बदतमीज.
I am not here to take lessons in decency or integrity
I
from
too
a
am not
corrupt-
here to see, listen to
From
your
a corrupt
sermons and
political
your lies.
But Ratnakar Tripathi, you are also not listening to her point of view. 1 minute. First of all, you are being disrespectful and you are being misogynist. You are attacking her because she's a woman leader. You are attacking her because she's a woman. You are using sexist language. You are being misogynistic towards her. I don't expect you to take an anti-woman perspective like that.
You can tag me whatever you want, but please reply one thing. Did you say it on the television that now Sanju Verma will speak?
Yes, I did.
Or no,
You said it?
Yes.
Okay, then let her speak.
Okay, now I'm thank you very much. My point here is this. First, I am met with a denial. Sanju Verma, the Congress party, is denying that it has promised free or subsidized gas cylinders to Bangladeshi infiltrators. It is saying that it has been misunderstood. And Ratnakar Tripathi of the Congress party is saying we were being sarcastic. We didn't mean it. Do you buy that explanation?
You know, Arnab, thanks for standing in for me. I don't need lectures on decency or morality from Congress or its darbaris. But I'll come straight to the topic. You know, I want to give your viewers very quickly in 10 seconds some data which will, tell you how there has been a complete demographic jihad. And I'm not going to be subtle about this in Jharkhand. You know, 1951 undivided Bihar, because we all know Jharkhand became a state only 24 years back in 2000. Undivided Bihar 1951 tribal population was 46.8%. Come 2011, as per 2011 census, the tribal population came down to 28.1%. Whereas in 1951, the Muslim population was 9.44% in undivided Bihar, including Jharkhand, and that rose dramatically to 22.73% from 9.44%. But the most concerning fact is this, Arnab, that the Santhal tribe, which is one of the most important tribes in terms of its contribution to Jharkhand, the Santhalis, they stood at 44.67% of the tribal population in 1951. Today, the Santhal population in Jharkhand is down to less than 25%. I mean, imagine from 47-48%, the Santhalis are down to barely 25%. And if this does not shock us, I wonder what will. So this entire narrative कि BJP लोगों को polarize कर रही है, you know, झारखंड में सब कुछ all is well, सब चंगासी नहीं है, all is not well. There is a demographic shift which is very, very concerning, and we need to stand up and take cognizance of that. But very quickly, from Jharkhand, let me move on to Maharashtra. ये जब कहते हैं हम 450 में सिलेंडर दे देंगे, मुसलमानों को 10% रिजर्वेशन दे देंगे, रोहिंग्यास के लिए हमारा दिल धड़कता है, बांग्लादेशी घुसपैठियों के लिए हमारा दिल धड़कता है. This is the same lot, Arnab. I've done a zillion debates with you. CAA was passed by a brute majority in the parliament, which is the temple of democracy. ये लोग कहते हैं ना, लोकतंत्र खतरे में है, गणतंत्र खतरे में है, संविधान खतरे में है. Then they should be respecting CAA, which is a duly passed law, and which says let's give citizenship to persecuted Hindus, Buddhists, Jains, Sikhs, Christians from Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh. They don't want citizenship to be given to persecuted Hindus. They don't want citizenship to be given to persecuted Buddhists, Jains, or Sikhs, but they want citizenship to be given to Rohingyas. They want citizenship to be given to Bangladeshi Ghuspetias. And am I lying? 20 years back, the Muslim population in West Bengal was 1.2 or 1.3 crore. Today it is more than 2.8 crore, which is more than 27% of West Bengal's population. Murshidabad, Howrah, Hooghly.
No, but now if all of them,
these are all Muslim dominant districts today in West Bengal.
No, if all of them now start getting, viewers, can I open the lines here? You see, be logical about it. Vivek Silas, if infiltrators get subsidies, the whole approach changes. You do realize this. There is an extent to Muslim appeasement, right, Jyotsna? Now you, can you unmute yourself, Jyotsna? Now,
yes,
if we start telling Bangladeshi Muslim infiltrators, we will give you subsidies, we will give you Manrega, right? We will give you health insurance, we will give you free gas cylinders, which means we want to break the border. This is the way I see it. It's open attempt to open the border to allow the Muslim infiltrators to just rush into the country and take over large parts of eastern India. Jyotsna Tirunagiri, this is a threat to the entire demography of India.
Absolutely, Arnabji. I'll tell you just one thing here. I mean, you know, in the starting of the debate, you said, who are you asking? Why are you asking? Arey, main aapse pooch rahi hu, Arnabji, who are you asking? You're asking Rahul Gandhi ji, and you're asking Congress, a party which absolutely is living on appeasement politics. And again, welfare is crucial because as a Telugu Desam Party spokesperson and as an NDA spokesperson, welfare is very, very crucial, but not at the cost and expense of national security. We have to understand that. And again, here, I heard I think Congress spokesperson telling that it was just a sarcastic thing. So election campaigning is, something like a joke for them. I think it is absolutely true in their case, Arnabji. I tell you why. 2018 election campaign, elections in Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, they announced gas cylinder subsidy. During the 2018 state elections in Madhya Pradesh, the Congress party under Kamal Nath ji's leadership promised to provide gas cylinders at a highly subsidized rate of 450 rupees to the people of the state. क्या हुआ उसके बाद? आपको कुछ पता हो तो मुझे बता दीजिए अर्नब जी, क्योंकि हमें तो पता ही नहीं. एंड अभी उसके बाद सुन लीजिए, बहुत रिसेंट की बात है, 2023, the Congress-led government in the state of Telangana, the neighboring state, one of the Telugu states, they in fact had given several promises, not just once. Mahalakshmi scheme, 2,500 rupees per women, and gas cylinders at 500, LPG at 500. एक स्टेट में 450, एक स्टेट में 500, दूसरे स्टेट में कुछ, दूसरे स्टेट में. ये क्या बच्चों का खेल है? बच्चों का खेल है ये? क्या समझ रखा है इन लोगों ने? एंड दूसरी बात, नाउ दे ऑल कम एंड से दैट नो इट इज, हम किसी को भी दे देंगे. दे दो, मगर उसके व्हाट इज योर विजन, व्हाट इज योर थॉट प्रोसेस, व्हाट इज योर मोडस ऑपरेंडी देयर? दे रहे हो तो कैसे करोगे? व्हाट इज लॉन्ग टर्म विजन ऑफ कांग्रेस पार्टी फॉर सच अ पॉलिसी? And I would literally ask the Congress spokesperson, how will you verify these infiltrators? How will you verify? And what are the measures that you would in fact take to ensure that these subsidies literally don't encourage more infiltrations into the country? How will you make sure?
This is a very dangerous situation.
Shall I answer, sir?
Yeah, very dangerous situation.
Now, Jyotsna ji, let me tell you one thing. Nagaur, Kishangarh, Hanumangarh. Have you heard about these districts? अमित शाह जी ने राजस्थान में कहा कि हमारी सरकार बनेगी तो हम 450 रुपए में देंगे सिलेंडर. Why didn't you ask the BJP spokesperson? कि दिया क्या उन्होंने? And I am not here to brief about our policies.
No, but why do you like Rohingyas? Why do you want to give? One minute, just one point. रायबरेली का नाम तो आपने सुना होगा. रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी, 1 minute. Jyotsna, you are replying, otherwise I'll come in.
No, अभी मैं पूरा कहा किया.
Okay, she's replying. She's countering. She's countering you. 1 minute. Jyotsna.
I just asked him a question. You say you're not serious in your election campaigning. That means you're just simply doing appeasement politics. Just to appease a particular community or particular group of people. Why are you putting the national security at risk? That's my question, sir. That's my question.
आपको क्वेश्चन का आंसर दे रहा हूं मैडम.
हाँ बोलिए सर.
परेशान है. अरे आपको फेवर करने के लिए गोस्वामी जी बैठे हुए हैं.
आप अपने पॉइंट को जवाब दीजिए, इधर उधर की बात मत बोलिए. आपने प्रो रोहिंग्या, प्रो घुसपैठिया पोजीशन ले लिया है. मुझ पर अटैक करके कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, आपकी पॉपुलैरिटी और गिरेगी. आपके पार्टी ने कहा है कि घुसपैठियों को 450 रुपए में सिलेंडर देंगे. सो स्टे फोकस्ड ऑन योर प्रॉमिस. आंसर योर प्रॉमिस. डोंट गो लेफ्ट एंड राइट ऑन दैट. डॉक्टर राकेश सूद इज कॉलिंग इन फ्रॉम दिल्ली. माय फर्स्ट कॉलर डॉक्टर राकेश सूद फ्रॉम दिल्ली. कैन यू हियर मी, सर?
Yes, I can hear you.
What's your view on this, sir? Congress says we want to give subsidized gas cylinders to all Ghuspaitias. This comment has been made on the election trail. Your response to it, Dr. Sood?
Yeah, I'm really shocked because Congress has always been appeasing only the Muslims, and they have no consideration for the Hindus, the majority population, and they are always siding with the Muslims. Now they are also planning on giving a reservation to them. And so the Hindu population will have to suffer in the long term, and they are determined. Rahul Gandhi does not make any statement in favor of Hindus, even when Bangladesh happened. There was no statement from the Congress.
Not
There was
one,
total
not one.
silence.
No.
And so now they can say what they want, but we know that they are a pro-Muslim party only.
They become pro-Muslim party. I want to get in Binay right now. Binay, will this impact the vote? This position, will it help the Congress get the Muslim infiltrator vote?
Arnav, having sympathy for infiltrators by the Congress party, it is not a joke. But the country is a joke if they see it as a joke. The second thing, that appeasement politics has been a long-term and a long-time agenda of Congress party. And let me give you an example. This statement is an attempt to support the ISI conspiracy named PIN code. In PIN code, there was a K named Kishanganj, in which there was an idea to change the demography of the Eastern Corridor part of India and pose a national security threat and create a jihad corridor. You must have known about the red corridor of the CPI Maoists. But there is a concept of jihad corridor by changing the demography of the country. And India is posing a national security threat by this demographic change. And when you say that it is a joke, I'm surprised.
No, it's,
and when
it's,
Mr. Ghulam Ahmad Mir has spoken, Ghulam Ahmad Mir has spoken the truth, because it has been a long time Congress party agenda for the last many decades to invite the infiltrators. They started this in West Bengal, in Assam. And then the baton was transferred to CPI and then Congress. And all are now
so Vinay Singh is saying
so this
that
is a
central government
strategy to balkanize India.
has,
this is not a
Vinay
joke,
Singh
it's an anti-Indian
so you are
strategy.
saying the central government has failed to secure the borders.
It's an anti-
That is what you are saying.
I mean, you sympathize with the infiltrators. When
The
you
security
sympathize
of the
with
border lies with the
illegal
central government.
Bangladeshi infiltrators
So
and the Rohingyas,
Vinay Singh,
you
can you
are
talk
against
about
making a
changing
statement
demography?
And let me tell
Through
you, when you
infiltrators.
support the
So you want to say that the central
Bangladeshi
government
I have a simple point to make. Simple point to make, which Ratnakar Tripathi should think about, and I'll tell you
can I
this.
please
No,
make a
one,
comment?
just coming to you, Sanju. One point. Ratnakar Tripathi, we have a 4,095 kilometer long border with Bangladesh, out of which over 1,000 kilometers is a riverine border. There are 5 states: West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and Tripura. Okay? The state government's position determines the level of infiltration. Why is it that there is so much infiltration into Bengal, but no infiltration into Mizoram?
Dr. Goswami, you are very
No. One minute. There is a long border between Mizoram. There is a long border between Mizoram and Bangladesh. Why do the infiltrators go to Bengal? Why do the infiltrators go to Tripura? But why don't they go to Mizoram?
Don't spread lies.
I am not spreading a lie. I am telling you a fact that you did not know. Accept the fact that I know more than you, and I am now about to expose you. Now, in order to expose you further, I will take the case of Rohingyas and Raebareli. Is it or is it not true? Is it or is it not true that the anti-terror squad uncovered a maximum fake certificate racket in Raebareli district of Uttar Pradesh, where 20,000 fake birth certificates were given to illegal Bangladeshis and Rohingyas? Why were 20,000 illegal birth certificates given to Rohingyas and Bangladeshis in Raebareli? The nation wants to know.
Arnav, can I please come
Yes,
in?
nation wants to know कि आप झूठ क्यों बोल रहे हैं?
झूठ बोल रहे हैं, ऐसे बोल के फायदा नहीं है, फैक्ट्स बोल रहा हूँ.
ज्योत्सना जी को बता
Why is so pro?
Arnav,
I'll tell you.
ज्योत्सना जी जो आप मुझसे पूछ रही थी ना कि
don't
चुनाव के समय में अमित शाह की आप प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस याद कीजिए, जितने प्रोमिसेस किए बाद में क्या, वो तो जुमला था.
may I please come in, Arnav? You can't allow this
वो जुमले कैसे थे?
मैंने बस यही
आप
पूछा
मुझे बताइए जुमले कैसे थे? काला धन
Ladies and gentlemen, your calls are live on this show, and
I need to come in.
now Vivek Silas and then Sanju. Vivek, you can't support this. I think they've gone too far. Would you do the same thing in UP? Would you support subsidies to infiltrators in UP?
गोस्वामी जी, आप ये झूठ फैलाना बंद कीजिए.
You look, Arnav, I've been waiting for a long time for my turn.
Borders.
For a long time for my time. I hope I'll be given a chance to speak uninterrupted.
The first question that I want to ask is that who is responsible for the international borders? Who is responsible to protect the international borders? Is the central government and the Home Ministry. That means you want to say that the Home Ministry and the central government are so incompetent that they are unable to stop the infiltration from Bangladesh or other countries, even for Burma. Very recently, Hemant Biswa Sarma in Assam also said that we are unable to stop the infiltration from Bangladesh. That shows how incompetent the governments of the Bharatiya Janata Party
Would you give
are.
Ajmal Kasab a subsidized gas cylinder? Would you give Ajmal Kasab a subsidized gas cylinder? Say poor fellow lost his way into India. Thoda bahut. Would you give him?
I think you should ask Amit Shah for that.
No, I'm asking you.
I need to
during
come
the
in here.
Uttar Pradesh government. I am asking.
Amit
Listen to me
Shah
first.
ji is doing his job.
Wait, Sanju Verma, let me. I have not finished yet. Sanju Verma, I have not finished yet. I will not allow you to speak. If you are not going to let me speak, I will not let you speak.
By making reckless allegations at Amit Shah. You cannot.
Wait, I want to ask the TDP as well.
I will not allow you to do that.
I want to ask the TDP as well. Arnab,
You cannot
I
make
want to.
baseless allegations.
Even I will not allow you to
cannot
do
make
so.
baseless allegations.
You have had your chance. I want to ask the TDP
if I have my chance,
spokesperson.
that gives you
were
a
asking
free
about
run.
appeasement
आप कुछ
policy.
भी बोलो,
Oh,
Amit
wait
Shah
and
के
just
बारे
listen
में।
to me. Just
भारत के
wait.
गृह मंत्री
You
के
are
बारे
an
में कुछ भी
incompetent
अनाप
government
शनाप बोलोगे
who
क्या?
are unable
और मैं
to
यहाँ
stop
बैठकर
the
सुनूंगी, आपको लगता
infiltration
है?
to India.
आप अमित
What
शाह
are you
जी के बारे
doing?
में कुछ भी
What is the
बोलोगे
Home Ministry
और मैं
doing?
यहाँ बैठकर
Arnab,
सुनूंगी
ask her, what is the
चुपचाप।
Home Ministry doing?
आपको ऐसा
What is
लगता
Amit
है
Shah
क्या?
doing? Why is he unable to stop the illegal
The
immigrants
land
coming
border
down to
agreement
India?
was signed
Who is
in
responsible for that?
1974 between
What
India
border
and Bangladesh
agreement?
when Indira
How come
Gandhi
the
was
people
the
are
Prime
coming down to
Minister.
India?
For
How come
41
people are
years, the
entering India
Congress
from?
did nothing.
So I have a question to me. Please ask the question.
We
Who's
sealed the
allowing
land
them?
border agreement
Sanju Verma is
with
allowing them,
Bangladesh.
or Arnab
We
Goswami
sealed
is
the
allowing
land
them?
border
Arnab, are
agreement
you
with
allowing them?
Bangladesh in
Arnab Goswami,
2015.
Arnab, I think you
What
are
should have
allowing
been
them
done in
to come down
1974.
from Bangladesh
1974
into
में जो
India.
काम नहीं हुआ वो मोदी सरकार ने
And what the
2015 में
TDP
किया
has to say?
signing the land border
What the
agreement
TDP has to
and
do? Don't
sealing
shout
the land
over me.
border
Sanju
agreement.
Verma, don't shout over me.
Now, what is your question to
What the
TDP?
Telugu
Tell me,
Desam
what is your
Party did
question
in
to
the
TDP?
election? They
अनाप
announced
शराब बात कर रहे हैं
salaries
आप
for
अमित शाह जी के
Maulana.
बारे में तो आपको
They
टोका
announced
What is your question to us?
5
Kindly
lakh
ask that.
जाएगा
free of
आपको
interest
टोका
to the
जाएगा
Muslims.
if you make
You-
baseless allegations.
They
Do you know when was
announced
the land
100
border
crore,
agreement signed with
100
Bangladesh?
crore aid
It was
to the
signed in
madrasas. What are you
1974
talking?
when Indira
You have
Gandhi
no
was the
sense.
Prime Minister.
Okay,
have
viewers,
no
on the
sense.
debate tonight, we are discussing the Congress party promise to give subsidized gas cylinders to all infiltrators from Bangladesh. We have a caller, I think Dr. Mohanty is his name. I saw his name on the queue.
Arnab, ask Amit Shah.
1 minute, don't
You don't
shout
have
at
the
me.
guts to
What
ask
is your question to me? Ask me nicely like a nice man, I'll answer.
Adam, what is
Question
the
क्या है?
TDP?
Yes,
What is his
because no
question
one
to
is letting me
TDP?
speak
He
now.
hasn't
What
asked
is your
yet.
Verma to keep quiet? What did the TDP? What the
I will
TDP and
keep
the
quiet
Bharatiya
if you
Janata
don't
Party
make
is doing
stupid
in
allegations at Amit
Andhra
Shah
Pradesh?
national television.
You are giving salaries to
यहाँ पर
Maulana
आपका भाषण
for
सुनने
vote
नहीं
bank.
बैठी हूँ मैं.
1 minute, Sanju
You
is
are
asking
giving 5
TDP
lakh
something.
loans
What's the question to
the
TDP? I didn't hear.
Muslims cost
Repeat it
interest.
again.
You are giving 100 crores aid to the madrasas and you are talking about appeasement politics.
Giving
You are
aid to
incompetent
madrasas is
government
not
who
a
is unable
saying
to stop.
thing.
1 minute, let her reply, Sanju. Let Jyotsna reply to that.
1 minute.
Jyotsna.
I think he doesn't. I think he's talking with half knowledge. He doesn't know what we are doing for the priests, what we have done for the temples, what kind of I think these are not appeasement
was in
politics.
your manifesto,
चाहे वो मुस्लिम हो या हिंदू हो कोई भी हो,
Today you
भारतवासी हो तो उसके लिए करते हैं हम
It was in your
लोग. ये बात जान लो आप.
manifesto. Read your
You don't do
manifesto.
that. You don't do that.
Read
We
your
do it for
manifesto.
every community.
Doesn't
That is
apply
TDP.
in your
Understood?
manifesto.
आपको ये नहीं पता
Read your manifesto
बीजेपी ने
first.
क्या किया मुसलमानों
And
के
then
लिए ये
talk to
नहीं पता जाके पढ़ के आ जाओ सर पढ़ के आ जाओ आप मुसलमानों के लिए बीजेपी ने क्या किया
पढ़ के क्या आ जाओ मदरसों को एड आप दो 100 करोड़
Religion.
मौलाना की सैलरी आप दो मुसलमानों को आप 5 लाख का लोन बिना इंटरेस्ट पे
आपको ये पता है
पागल
हम
क्या?
वेद पाठशाला को कितना दे रहे हैं आपको ये पता है
And then you
हम
talk
वेद
about
पाठशाला को कितना दे रहे हैं आपको पता है हम
appeasement
प्रीस्ट को कितना
politics.
दे रहे हैं पुजारियों को हम
Appeasement
कितना दे रहे हैं
politics.
आपको
The
पता
Bharatiya
है
Janata Party is
धूप
doing
दीप नैवेद्य
appeasement
जो होते हैं
politics.
मंदिरों में
The Bharatiya
उसके
Janata
लिए
Party is
कितना
doing
दे रहे हैं आपको पता है
appeasement politics,
नहीं
not
पता
the
होगा
India
आप
land.
This is not appeasement politics. 1 minute.
सब पता है आप क्या कर रहे हैं.
Vivek. Now, Jyotsna, 1 minute. Just one. 1 minute. This is beyond appeasement politics. This is pro-infiltrator politics.
Absolutely.
Today you are saying, I want Bangladeshi
come
Muslims to come.
infiltrators are entering India?
Tomorrow you will say, I want Pakistani Muslims to come to India. Open border kar do.
Who's allowing them to come to India?
You will say, let Pakistani Muslims
How
come.
they are entering India?
No, Ratnakar Tripathi, tomorrow when these if there is a Guzbetia from Bangladesh, Ratnakar Tripathi, listen to me. You listen to me properly. If I suspect you, because if you can be a pro-Bangladeshi Muslim infiltrator party, you can also become pro-Pakistani Muslim infiltrator party.
One step back. Tell me, what about the one step back? 4% reservation for Muslims.
Why
Isn't it appeasement?
That is why you go to Pakistan to eat biryani, huh?
Isn't it appeasement?
Eat biryani.
All right, now on the call, Dr. A.K. Mohanty from Orissa. Dr. Mohanty, what's your take on this? Dr. Mohanty, what should be done now?
Yes, sir.
What should be done now?
That we all Indians should ban Congress and their allies, because those who are supporting infiltrators, we cannot allow them to be in politics in this country.
Dr.
I am
Mohanty.
a proud Indian.
Yes.
And I am an Indian doctor. I am working in the medical field for the last 37 years. And I participated in all Indian elections. But what is this happening? So I am proud to say that Mr. Goswami, I am following your program for last so many years. So you are the only man who is protecting and seeing the interest of we Hindus in this country. I am proud of you. Please continue to do so. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Mr. Tripathi, this is popular opinion.
Divide the country, Dr. Goswami. That is what Dr. Mohanty said.
He didn't say
Please
that.
continue to divide the country.
He didn't say that.
No, he
Speaking
said
for
it.
Hindus is
Like,
not dividing
he
the
said it,
country.
he said it.
Speaking for Hindus is dividing the country.
No.
So you are trying to say that Hindus divide the country.
And abuse other people.
I've never abused anyone. I've said you can't be allowed to give subsidies for infiltrators.
No. What infiltrators?
Who's infiltrators from Bangladesh or Pakistan?
आप मुझे बताइए the total sentence is कि हर झारखंड वासी को मिलेगा.
नहीं, that is not the total sentence. झूठ बोल रहे हैं आप. बहुत झूठ बोलना शुरू किया आपने. आप बहुत झूठ बोलते हैं आजकल.
सर मध्य प्रदेश
आप झूठ के माहिर हो गए, एक्सपर्ट हो गए.
झूठ के आप माहिर हैं.
आप झूठ बोल रहे हैं प्रोग्राम पर. खुलेआम झूठ बोलते हैं. आप झूठे हैं. आप झूठे हैं.
जो ब्लैक जादू
झूठा इंसान.
You are saying अजमल कसाब पाएगा. So will the black जादू पार्टी बीजेपी वो कसाब को जिंदा करेगी क्या?
Your Congress party has been routed in Haryana.
देश में डॉक्टर गोस्वामी. I am very
You
sorry
have
to say.
pushed Himachal into the throes of bankruptcy. हिमाचल में आप लोग मिस्री समोसा को लेकर CID
We
investigation
have
कर रहे
not
हो.
gone to mental bankruptcy like BJP.
मिस्री समोसास are the focus of Himachal Pradesh
You are not
Chief
mentally
Minister's
bankrupt.
attention. मिस्री समोसास को लेकर CID की
One minute. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Let me take a caller. Manasvi has not spoken. Manasvi, would you like to say something, or you just want to keep grinning through the program? What's your take?
Arnav, I don't understand. Since last 11 years, India's most powerful government is there in power. फिर घुसपैठिए आते कहाँ से हैं? ये मुझे ये समझ नहीं आ रहा. I am appalled by the fact only since last 5 years it was Hemant Soren's sarkar there. Before that it was BJP. 2014, 2009 it was BJP, and in center the country have not seen such a powerful government since last 11 years. Even then घुसपैठियास are there. The basic question comes to my mind to the NDA spokesperson would be, ये घुसपैठिया आए कहाँ से? 11 सालों में घुसपैठियों का राइज कहाँ से हुआ? You have to answer this. It's a failure of BSF.
हमने आने से रोका है. But just
Sanju ji,
a
एक
problem
मिनट. Sanju ji, just
उखाड़ने के
one
लिए
minute.
we need
Sanju ji,
people not to
Sanju
give
ji,
Ghuspetia
Sanju ji,
intellectual
कांग्रेस
power,
इलेक्शन नहीं
which
जीत
is
सकती.
what
आप
your
कह रहे
leaders
हो
are
घुसपैठिए
doing.
कांग्रेस
Stop
लाइए.
giving
Congress
intellectual
cannot
power
win an
to
election. You are
Ghuspetias.
saying Congress is bringing घुसपैठिए from Pakistan, Bangladesh. वो इलेक्शन नहीं जीत पा रहे. Stop blaming and start believing in your सरकार. Say that हम लोग देश से घुसपैठिए हटाएंगे. आप ये बोलिए कि 11 सालों में घुसपैठिए नहीं हटा पाए. 12वें साल से हम घुसपैठिए हटाएंगे. Say that on a national television that हम 11 सालों से we have failed to take घुसपैठिए out. हम 12वें साल से कोशिश करेंगे. It's a failure. We should accept that घुसपैठिए आए इस देश में 11 सालों में ज्यादा. अब ये हमारा
Now tell me one thing, Manasvi.
सुधारेंगे. संजू जी, क्या हम सुधारेंगे 12वें साल से घुसपैठिए को? देश से घुसने में is it a failure or not? 10 सालों से आपकी सरकार है, घुसपैठिए आप नहीं रोक पाए. घुसपैठिए बढ़ते रहे और अब आप उनको हटाएंगे कि नहीं हटाएंगे? संजू जी, कैन वी हैव घुसपैठिए फ्री इंडिया और नॉट? संजू जी, लेट्स हैव अ टैगलाइन, घुसपैठिए फ्री इंडिया. Are you anti-Ghuspetia or not? Are you an anti-Ghuspetia or not? Can we have India Ghuspetia free? Since 10 years, we have more Ghuspetias than we have in last 70 years. Can we have Ghuspetia free India now or not?
Ladies and gentlemen, Santana Gopal Krishna is now calling on this very, very hot debate tonight. And I'll repeat one point which I want to make to everyone. I blame the state government. People tell me why. Let me explain this to you. We have a 4,000 kilometer plus border with Bangladesh. 5 states, West Bengal, Mizoram, Assam, Bangladesh, Meghalaya and Tripura have a contiguous border with Bangladesh. The question is, why is there maximum infiltration in Bengal and zero infiltration in Mizoram? Because Mizoram does not have a pro-Ghuspetia party. इतनी बात समझने में रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी को प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रही है मुझे नहीं आया.
नहीं, मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रही है.
प्रॉब्लम हो रही है आपको.
हटा दीजिए इन्फिल्ट्रेटर्स की लिस्ट.
You don't like the word घुसपैठिया?
That is what BK Hari.
क्या कहूँ उनको मैं?
That we don't have any infiltrated on record. आप मिजोरम की बात करेंगे.
On record we don't have any infiltrated. On record चाहिए इनको.
आपके हिमंता बिश्वा शर्मा है. 5 साल आपकी बीजेपी की झारखंड में गवर्नमेंट रही. मेघालय आपके पास है और आप बता रहे घुसपैठिए हमने घुसा लिए. गजब स्थिति है अर्नव जी. आपके स्टूडियो में बिना बुलाए मैं तो आ नहीं सकता.
आप प्रो एनआरसी है कि नहीं?
चेक करता है.
एक मिनट सीरियस डिबेट कीजिए. ऊपर से बात मत कीजिए. डोंट बिकम अ सुपरफिशियल मैन. सुपरफिशियल डिस्कशन मेरे साथ मत कीजिए. मैं आपकी तरह सुपरफिशियल नहीं हूं. मैं ये पूछ रहा हूं आपको, आर यू फॉर द एनआरसी? आर यू सपोर्ट एनआरसी?
Do you support the CAA?
Do you support NRC?
I support everything which.
Yeah, everything. I support ice cream. I support ice cream. ये क्या लॉजिक है? I support everything. कुछ कहना नहीं चाहते बोलिए. मैं कहना नहीं चाहता. मैं प्रो घुसपैठिया हूँ. Santana Gopal Krishna is calling in, and where are you calling from, Santana? From Bengaluru. Hi. It's gone crazy, Shantana. I tell you, they've gone crazy. They've just become pro Ghuspetia and quite openly.
They should show some respect and they should maintain the dignity of the debate when viewers are asked to speak. Hi. Hello.
Can hear you. Go on.
Speak now? Yeah. I think it's high time Election Commission of India should declare Congress party as anti-national. There is no point in holding on to this statement anymore. We cannot associate this particular party to
file a petition. I invite you to file a petition.
Mr. Ratnakar Tripathi, it's my turn. It's my turn. You can have your say later on. Show some decency in the debate. Okay?
No, you why don't you file a petition? I don't.
Not just Ghulam Ahmed Mir alone.
Even the persons who are mentally bankrupt. You are challenging the Indian Constitution. Election Commission should be barred.
Even Mr. D.K. Shivkumar
just 1 minute.
During 2019 MP election, he made the same statement.
No, Shantana, sorry to interrupt, but the problem with Ratnakar Tripathi, now I am saying something to you. I will totally, one minute. Shantana, let me, because allow me please. Ratnakar Tripathi, now let me tell you one thing. You are on live television and you are going to be demolished by me on live television, just sit back and enjoy. Don't say things like you are against constitution when you are with Arnab Goswami, because I will make intellectual mincemeat of you. Now listen to me. You said I am against constitution. In that case, may I remind you that under section 14A of the Citizenship Act 1955, please memorize, ratta mariye, under section 14A of Citizenship Act 1955, it mandates citizen registration. It mandates citizen registration, which means it is pro-NRC. The moment you say you're anti-NRC, you are anti-constitution, not me. You are an anti-constitution party. Aaj संविधान के खिलाफ है.
Which is the ambit of the constitution. You do unconstitutional things. You make statements with...
Now मैंने legal point दे दी, you are talking अंग्रेजी.
You are anti-constitution, Dr. Goswami. Just wearing a tie and speech...
A nice tie, nice tie.
...on the television doesn't make you a...
Are you jealous of my tie?
You are anti-reservation.
You like my tie?
You are anti-constitution. That is what you think.
Today I made intellectual mincemeat of Ratnakar Tripathi live on my program. Viewers, I'm loving it. And Venkatesh is calling in from Chennai on this hot debate tonight. Venkatesh.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening. Hello, good evening, Arnab. I am Venkatesh calling from Chennai.
Sir.
In this debate, this election campaign, this Congress... hello, good evening, Arnab.
Please continue.
Hello,
we can hear
Arnab.
you, Venkatesh.
The thing is, in the election campaign, the Congress spokesperson is telling that he will provide subsidy gas cylinders to even including, that is Hindu, Muslims and infiltrators.
And infiltrators.
That is why they should talk as Hindu Muslims, and they are accusing BJP of always having a divisive politics. But they are telling, not for all the people of Jharkhand, they are telling Hindu, Muslims and infiltrators.
No, Mr. Venkatesh.
And this is really a sorry state of affairs.
Please correct yourself.
I would like to recollect one incident.
Replay the video.
That is, I would like to recollect one small incident. That is, when during the terrorist attack in Mumbai, when Congress government was there, our BJP opposition party, Mr. Advani and all, everyone, they approached the Congress government and they said they are with the nation. We don't want to make any politics. But these Congress people always doing...
Frame your sentence, sir.
with the nation, and they will not support this one. But this...
No, Vivek, I think this particular statement requires a clarification. You know, do you want no Hindu to vote for you? If you support Congress when they take this line, then there will be a backlash against you in UP, Vivek. No Bharatiya would like you to take a pro-Ghusbetiya position. आप उनके लिए अपने पे क्यों ले रहे हैं?
We don't encourage illegal immigrants entering India because India itself is overpopulated. But the thing is, the question that I asked initially, who's allowing that the illegal immigrants coming down to India? And it's not only
so
the
you will
Muslim
no,
votes
if
that,
they have come for whatever reason, you will give them free gas cylinders. और क्या देंगे free?
From the topic.
If they are
You
the
have not
citizens of
once
India, then
condemned Ghulam Ahmad
If the central government has infiltrated them citizens of India.
Infiltrators have infiltrators who are again this. Sanju Verma is again poking and why are you not letting me speak? अरे अजीत पवार से पूछिए जाके. Go and ask Ajit Pawar what he said in Maharashtra. Ask Ajit Pawar what he said in Maharashtra. बिना बटेंगे कटेंगे नारा आने लगेगा. उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि मोदी जी और अमित शाह योगी जी की महाराष्ट्र चुनाव में कोई जरूरत नहीं है. ये आपका अलाई पार्टनर कह रहा है अजीत पवार. अजीत पवार is saying that your allied partner.
But Vinay, how are people reading this in Jharkhand? Congress party taking a pro-infiltrator position. How is it being seen in the state of Jharkhand at a time when it is going through the election process?
People are very angry, and they are going to reply by the, they are going to reply through their vote, through their mandate. But the point is, Arnab, that Mr. Ghulam Ahmad Mir will definitely be rewarded. he will get promotion for what he has said by the Congress party because he has told the Congress party line. And this line is not a new line. It has been for the last so many decades. And remind me of one more thing. Ghulam Muhammad Mir is a Congress star campaigner. So the star campaigners have given a star statement. And he has become a celebrity.
Narayan Iyer, last caller from Mumbai. Narayan Iyer, I'll take a 10-second comment from you. Mr. Iyer, because you've been waiting.
Arnab Goswami, these Congress people want to make India also a Pakistan. That is why they are allowing all influence.
Mr. Tripathi, these are uncensored comments.
Bangladesh.
I don't care about them.
Care about
television. I don't care about.
You don't care about Narayan Iyer.
I'm telling you.
You don't care about anyone. Venkatesh, Narayan Iyer, anyone.
I'm telling you. They call it दारू पिए हुआ है, टुन बैठा है. असल में आपके जो कॉलर्स होते हैं ना, स्पॉन्सर्ड.
कोई स्पॉन्सर्ड नहीं है. Please don't say that.
जैसे आपने विनय सिंह से पूछा.
नहीं, कोई स्पॉन्सर्ड नहीं है. त्रिपाठी जी, कोई स्पॉन्सर्ड नहीं है. ये ऐसे ही ओपन लाइंस पे कॉलर्स आते हैं.
विनय सिंह इज ए क्वालिफाइड एंड I mean registered BJP member. आप उनसे पूछ रहे हैं झारखंड में इसका क्या इम्पैक्ट होगा. आप क्यों नहीं सीधे जाकर के मोदी से पूछ लेते हैं आश्वास से झारखंड.
Okay, Vivek Silas, I have to call. It's a hot debate. I want the Congress party. I think Congress party should issue a statement. It should sack this leader who has promised subsidies. It should take action.
Why should we issue a statement, sir?
Janata Party should
हर झारखंड वासी को मिलेगा इसके लिए.
that no illegal immigrant will enter India now.
Agreed with you. BJP should also notify NRC. I agree with you. And I thank you all, ladies and gentlemen. I can't take any more calls tonight, but with a promise to come back with the hottest debates in the country. Hottest debates in the country, come what may, and I shall see you without fail tomorrow. We have a